Hi there, students. Okay, I'm making this video because I had a request to make a video about ways to say that you need the toilet. You know, if you're bursting and you don't want to be caught short. Okay, so if you're bursting, you really need to pee. I'm bursting. You're going to explode. Because you don't want to be caught short to pee before you arrive at the toilet. Okay, so if you're caught short, you need the toilet and you're probably going to do it in your clothes. So that's not a very nice thing. Okay, let's see. I think the first thing I would say is, where's the toilet? I need the toilet. Or I need to use your bathroom. The Americans very often say, I need to use a restroom, the restroom. The British either say the toilet or the bathroom, but restroom's American, but they're all valid. You could say, I need to answer a call of nature. Okay, so nature is calling you and you need to go. Yeah, I need to go. Notice, a call of nature doesn't define what it is. In English, there's this system that they use with little children, number ones to pee, and number two to defecate. Okay, to defecate, to shit. So, if you have to answer a call of nature, it doesn't define whether it's number one or number two. Yeah, but notice number one or number two, this is for kids. Adults don't use this phrase. Yes, so you need to go. You need to answer a call of nature. Notice if you need to go, you need to answer a call of nature. Still, it doesn't define number one or number two. So let's look at some ways to say that you need to pee. Let's see, I need to pass water. Okay, pass water. To pass water is a word that you would use when you're talking to the doctor. Yeah? When I pass water, it has this pinkish colour. Yeah? So, to pass water, this is a word you would use with the doctor. We have a very polite one for ladies. I need to powder my nose. Yeah, to put face powder, to put on my makeup. But that means I need to go. I need to answer a call of nature. Where's the restroom? I need to powder my nose. Another phrase, to relieve oneself, reflexive, to find relief if you like. But I need to relieve myself. You could use this, but I think I need to go is probably better. Go relieve yourself behind a tree. Now, let's see, let's try some more. You can have a tinkle or a wee, to go for a tinkle, to go for a wee or to wee, but these again are children's words, yeah? Maybe even to take a whiz, bzz, whiz, 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 okay? So, a tinkle, a wee, a whiz. To go for a tinkle, to go for a wee, to go for a whiz. These are maybe kids' words. Then you could say, I need to take a leak. Okay, this is more adult and maybe a little bit less polite. This is what you'd say to your friends in the pub. I need to take a leak. I need to go to the bog to take a leak. The bog being the bathroom. Okay, a bog is a place where there is water. The height of the water is about the same height as the earth, and the earth is very squishy. But this is a slang colloquial phrase, the bog. Okay, also to take a slash. This is, well, pretty informal, not very polite. So, to take a slash, to pee, to urinate, number ones. Yes, another one for the doctor, to make water. Yeah, when I make water, doctor, it's very difficult. When I make water, it hurts. Or another one for men, but this is not for the doctor. I need to go to the little boy's room. Yeah, it's reasonably polite. Maybe it's a bit childish, but it would certainly work. Do you need to go to the little boy's room? This is like a mother talking to a child. Yeah? I'm going to the bog. That's in the pub. I need to pass water, doctor. Yeah? I need to use your bathroom. That's probably the easiest way. And then we've got a couple of funny ones as well. I need to go and see a man about a horse. This is what you'd say in the pub. So I need to go to the toilet, but I need to see a man about a horse. Or I'm going to bleed the lizard. Okay, the lizard being the male organ, and bleed being the urine. Or I'm going to siphon the python. Same idea. Okay, a couple more for number twos. To poop. This is a kid's word as well. Yeah? Do you need to poop, little Johnny? Okay, to make a bowel movement or a bowel motion. This is what you would say in the hospital, or you'd say to the doctor. What colour are your bowel movements? Would you talk to me about the solidity of your bowel movements? Another medical word like that is to evacuate. You know, when you evacuate, is it solid? Is it easy for you? And then another funny one, but this is number twos very definitely. I need to take a dump. Okay, to dump is to throw away unwanted materials. Take a dump, but notice this is not polite. Stop the car, I need to take a dump, mates. Yeah, but it needs to be with your mates. And then a funny one like that as well. You could say, I'm touching cloth, I need to go. I need to take a dump. Okay, so literally the feces is touching the cloth of the underwear. Yeah, it's coming out, but it hasn't come out yet. So there you go, lots and lots of ways of doing it. What's the easy, polite way? Can I use your bathroom, please? Could I use your bathroom? I need to use the restroom. I need to use the toilet. Where's your toilet? Could I use your toilet, please? Or for a lady, I need to powder my nose. Okay? And that's the best way to do it. So, a lot of toilet words. Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. Now you can answer the call of nature that's been building up inside you since I started this video. Subscribe to the channel, make a comment, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. I need to go.